Hi everyone, it's Trace. I am back with another video and another haul. I I was determined to find those ephemera from Hobby Lobby today. After I dropped my daughter off at work, I went to a different Hobby Lobby, and it's like about a half an hour, 40 minutes away, and I found them. I don't know if I have the paper pads for this. So let me just share what I got. Um, yeah, I kind of went cuckoo for, um, I went cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Okay, I don't want this. Oh, okay. I don't want the crinkling. Okay. All right, let's start. Okay, I found these acrylic shapes is what it's called, 20 pieces. And, their Christmas is all 50% off. And I couldn't, I might as well. So I got 2 packs of these. These are so cute. Let me open it up. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got some of those, which will be fun, 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 fun. I got this, what is it? What is this called? I guess it's some kind of bead. I don't know. Let's see if I can get it open. Is it a bead? No, I just think it's just a flat back. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. And I get, how many do I get? I think I get 8 pieces. So not bad. Half off, right? Then I got some washi. I don't think I have to look. But I don't have too many Christmas washi. This wasn't on sale, but I had to get this. I love all the textures. For $2.49, you can't go wrong with that stamp set. So I finally found that. I've been on the hunt for this stamp set. Finally found it. Okay, so here is the ephemera pack. $3.49 for 50 designs. Oh my gosh, look at it all. $3.49. And I got it on half off. Oh my gosh. So I got 2 of them because I'm cray-cray that way. Then I found this pack of cardinals. Oh my gosh, I love cardinals during the holidays or even during the year. I just love them. So I got that 20 pieces now for $4.49. I got 2 of those. Here's 24 piece for $4.49. And this is a bunch of Santas. Oh, cute. Cute, cute, cute. So I got 2 of those. And then these are frames, Christmas theme frames. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous are those? I got 2 of those. Like I said, I went cray-cray. I bought 3 of these. This would be great for like sentiments on Christmas cards, quick and easy Christmas cards. I thought that was great. I found this Santa set. Oh my gosh, he is so stinking cute. I'm loving it. And then I got just one of these Gingy stickers. I have different ginger bread stickers that I've never used. And then I got this one. This will be great for quick and easy cards. I got 2 of those. And then I got this kind of foam stickers. Vintage. I love vintage. Oh, I just love them. Oh, I love this Santa. So I got 2 of those for $2.49. It's not bad. So that's it for my Hobby Lobby haul. Let me close this up. Okay. Okay, and then in the same shopping mall, they had a Walmart. I had to go in there for something for my son, and I found these little books, and they weren't, I mean, they weren't badly priced, and they weren't that bad. I mean, here's one that says this is all that's in there. I think, yeah, I can flip through it. And they're just really, I don't know what is going on with me and stickers. Happiness is being at home. We are all in this together, our family, and some word stick. I just love these. Isn't that beautiful? I just love it. So I found that one. This one is Bloom and Grow. And this has a whole bunch of, you know, I don't know if you can see it. I hate this camera. I really do. Okay. Oh, I want to make those metal tags. These would be perfect for them. Huh. And some letters, flowers, a watering can. Oh, beautiful flowers. Oh, I love this with the foiling. So that one. This one is theme stickers. Theme stickers. Okay. I don't know. Oh, yeah, okay. So this is like a winter theme. Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. And they're clear, which is nice, you know. Oh, wow. Look at these mushrooms. Penny. I can send you these stickers. Yeah, I should do that. And then here's another one. This one's really, I love the floral. I love the flowers. And they're clear. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's pretty. I love that. I love them all, actually. Really pretty stickers. And then this one is a message stickers. So this has like, congrats, just because, get well soon. I mean, sentiment stickers. How cool is that? And you get 2 of each. Even all of them have 2 of each. Thinking of you, congrats. I have a wedding card that I have to make. Happy birthday, thank you, hello, different fonts. Oh my gosh, I love that. I should have got 2 of these. Always wanting simple ways to add, you know, different fonts to your cards. So that is it for my haul. I want to thank everybody for watching. And I think this is it for a while. My daughter's going back to college and I don't need to be spending any more money because I have to pay for her tuition and her room and board and all that stuff. So I need to stop. So that is my haul. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.